Hey you, how you doing? My name is Benny and this is Benny's Kitchen. And today we're gonna be making some.
Mira, let me know when mommy calls you because I need to borrow
What are you
some
doing?
pads. Just letting you know because you know my unemployment hasn't kicked in and I really need to borrow some pads.
Yeah, well I'm in the middle of a recording here.
Oh, really? So you're gonna present me or what? Because you know I'm looking for a papi chulo over here.
I'm sorry. Hey, everybody, this is my sister.
Hey, twin
My
sister.
sister, Benny.
Ooh, look at all those papi chulos out there. Ooh, look, there's a gordito over there. Ooh, I see you, gordito. You know, I love my gorditos, but you know, it's physically impossible to make some love. I just don't know, I don't understand. Anyway, what are we doing over here?
Yeah, we're getting ready to make some pumpkin spice latte.
Ooh, I love pumpkin spice latte. I make
Of
the
course
best
you do.
pumpkin spice latte. You know what? I'm gonna make it because you're just gonna want to make everything from the scratch, and you're gonna want to milk a cow
Yeah,
and all that. No,
fine.
I'm just gonna make it simple for everybody. Okay? So you just leave. You can leave. All right. So pumpkin spice latte here in Betty's kitchen. Alright, so let's get started. This is super easy. The first thing that we're gonna need is obviously some cafe, some coffee. Usually I have Bustelo, but since my unemployment hasn't kicked in, I'm buying the cheap stuff, but it's still very good. Alright, so next thing we're gonna need some pumpkin. I already chopped this part off and I boiled it. Like you can boil it with the skin and everything. That's alright, because we're just gonna take a spoon and just scrape it off the skin. Alright, and then we're gonna pass it through one of these. Right? Just to get all the fibers out. That's super easy. Then we're gonna use some milk, 2% milk, 2% because you can't have the whole milk. You gotta watch this figure, you know what I mean? It's all about the waistline here. And then we're gonna use some raw sugar because it's healthier than that white stuff. And then this right here, I don't know if you can read it, is pumpkin pie spice. You could get this at Walmart, you could get it in your bodega around the corner. You know how we do in New York. So the first thing you want to do is you want to boil your pumpkin, your calabaza, right? And then it's gonna be nice and soft like this. Then you're gonna have your coffee already brewed. Let me get this out the way over here. So just straight up black coffee right there. It's still hot. We're gonna use about 1 cup of this. You're gonna put your strainer right on top of the coffee. And like I said, we're gonna scrape this pumpkin off of the skin, just like that. You're gonna put in the strainer and just press it down. It's all right, you're gonna get a little bit of liquid, but that's okay. And once it's gone through, you're gonna scrape it from the bottom. So for this recipe, we want about 2 spoonfuls. We're gonna put it right straight in the coffee. Get this hair on my face. It's getting in my mouth and everything. So let's repeat the process with this one. I'm gonna fast forward just so you guys don't get bored. So once it's in there, all you wanna do is mix it up. Just make sure there's no chunks in there, like that. You can already smell it. It smells like coffee and pumpkin at the same time. It's so yummy. Next thing that you want to do is you want to take your coffee and pour half of it into your serving glass, just like that. And this recipe is good for 2, because you always want to share. If you don't share your coffee, you're not really having coffee. Plain and simple. Now we're gonna take a full cup of milk and we're gonna stick it in the microwave. Now I know Benny doesn't like to heat stuff up in the microwave. He likes the stove top. But hey, I'm old school. We use the microwave. Alright? Be right back. Alright, so I said 1 minute, but it actually took me 2 minutes just to get it right. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add some of this brown sugar. It's gonna be 1 tablespoon per cup. So we're gonna put 2 tablespoons inside the milk. Now, I don't have no fancy frother or none of that. So what I like to do is I like to take my whisk, good old fashioned whisk, ain't nothing wrong with that. So just do this right here. See what I'm doing? And if you could see that right there, it's got a lot of bubbles going on. That's your top, all right? So, who needs a frother when you got a good old-fashioned whisk, right? Nice and foamy. I wish you were here to see it. So, now we're gonna take our pumpkin pie spice. We're gonna put a little bit in our coffee. So the next step is we gotta put the milk in here, but we gotta hold the froth back. And I think I'm gonna need a third hand. Haley,
Yes?
can you help me out real quick, baby?
Sure.
Guys, I'm sure you remember my niece. She's so beautiful. She's come out in so many videos. How you doing, baby? Good to
Good.
see you. What you were having pizza?
Yeah.
I can see it all over your face. That's fine, that's fine. We're live. Well, not really, this is a recording. So, Haley, I just need you to hold this for me
Okay.
because what we
Smells
want to
good.
do, I'm sure it does. What? You hate coffee. What are you talking about, girl?
The cinnamon.
Liar, pants on fire.
It's the cinnamon.
All right, so let's focus. So what we want to do is grab a spoon and hold the foam back and just let the milk fall into the coffee. All right? Once it's there, you put a little bit of foam on top. And that's it. And that's good. I mean, by all means, if you guys have whipped cream and you like that stuff, I don't like it because it goes to my hips and it just doesn't look right on me. I'm trying to lose some weight because I'm trying to find a man. I'm trying to find an uncle for you, Haley, right? Your Theo. If you're out there, we're waiting. Anyway, so thank you very much, baby. I'll see you later, okay?
Okay.
Now wipe that pizza off your face.
Okay.
She's so cute, oh my goodness. So, the next thing that we want to do is...
I'm going to bed, Betty.
Oh, okay. Well, good night, sweet pea.
Bendición.
Ay, Dios mío, Dios te bendiga, mi amor. Let me give you something real quick. That's for you.
Thank you.
And I got something over here, too. This is also for you. Got cookies in my cookies.
Thank
All right, good night, baby.
you. Good night.
Good night. She's so adorable. Anyway, so when we're done with this part, you can just put the pumpkin pie spice right on top. Just like that. And enjoy. Starbucks ain't got shit on me. See you next time. Oh, sorry, by the way, if you like what you saw, hit that thumbs up, subscribe. I mean, I wish I had my own account, but it was banned, so just subscribe to Bennie's Kitchen. And if you like what you saw, I could come back anytime. We can make some arroz con gandules, we can make some pavo relleno, we can make some guileitos with gizzards, you know, stuff like that, okay? So I'll see you guys next time.